Hello and welcome to SmartMath TV. In this video, I'll walk you through on solving system of equations using the substitution method. Okay. A system of equations is two or more equations having the same variables. Okay. Now look at this equation here. We have we have y. So we have two variables, x and y, and both equations have the same variables. So this constitutes a system of equations. Now, to solve this equation using the substitution method, we need to use equation 1 or equation 2 to start. So I will start with equation 2. Okay, so I can say from equation 2, all right, we know that x minus y is equal to 4. So the essence of starting with equation 2 is to isolate either x or y very easy. So, and from this one, I will make x the subject of the formula or isolate x. So here x is equal to 4 plus y. Bring y to this side, it becomes positive y. Okay, then I can call this equation 3 if I like. So the next thing is to plug in the value of x into equation 1. That is to say, equation 1 is 2x plus y is equal to 10, right? So anywhere I see x, I'll put 4 plus y. So this becomes 2 open brackets 4 plus y is plus y is equal to 10. So when I open this bracket, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times y is 2y, then plus y is equal to 10, right? So 8 plus 3y is equal to 10. 8 plus 3y is equal to 10. So 8 plus 3y is equal to 10. So I am looking for the value of y here. So I take this 8 this side, becomes negative 8. So 3y is equal to 10 minus 8, right? Then 3y is equal to 10 minus 8 is 2. So y is equal to 2 over 3. And the next thing is to plug in the value of y into any of the equations. I will still use equation 3. So x is equal to 4 plus y is our equation 3. Then I'll plug in the value of y here. That is to say, this is y. I'll put 2 over 3 because this is also y and this is y. So x is equal to 4 plus 2 over 3. Okay, then the common denominator here is 3. Okay, 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 4 is 12 plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 12 plus 2 is 14 over 3. So we have x is equal to 14 over 3 and y is equal to 2 over 3. So this can also be written as 14 over 3 comma and 2 over 3. So these are the solutions of this equation. Now, one good thing about system of equations is this. You can always plug in the value of x and y into the equations to check whether what you did was correct or not. Okay, to do that, let me use equation 2 where x minus y is 4. Okay, let me do that here quickly. So check, right? We have that x minus y is equal to 4. We know that x is 14 over 3, right? So we have 14 divided by 3 minus 2 over 3. Okay, so this is the common denominator here is 3. Then 14 minus 2 is 12. Okay, so 12 divided by 3 is same thing as 4. So this shows that the solution to the equations we got is correct. Okay, thank you for watching this video to this moment. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. See you in my next class. Bye.